What's up everyone? I'm back with a new video. So for today's look, I am doing something different. I'm doing a rainbow eyeshadow look. I was going to support some of my friends in the Charlotte Pride Festival, so this finally gave me a reason to give a rainbow eye look a try. So I'm using the James Charles palette for this, and I'm basically starting out with that red shade, and I'm putting that in both of my inner corners of my eyelids. And basically what I'm going to be doing with each shade, I'm also going to put it in the corresponding section of my lower lash line as well. Okay, and since I am going in the order of the rainbow, I am taking that orange shade and I'm placing that right next to the red. This first brush I was using was not giving me what I needed it to, I guess because technically it's more of a crease brush. So then I changed my brushes to more of a packer eyeshadow brush, and that was giving a better payoff that I wanted. And now I am going in with the yellow shade. I was pretty impressed with the initial pigment. Like, I was like, oh, okay. It was really showing up. Look, I'm not gonna lie, this palette, this James Charles palette, it's pretty good. I like it. Now I'm taking the lime green shade and I'm putting that next to the yellow. Okay, and I'm sure y'all can figure out what's next. I am going in with the blue shade. It's in the next to bottom row. But yeah, I'm going in with this blue and blending that into the green. Alright, and last but not least, I am taking that purple shade and putting that next to the blue. I've actually never taken my eyeshadow really out like this far, but I was kind of forced to because I was like, well, I gotta fit all the colors of the rainbow on my eyelids. So now I kind of have an idea of how to kind of get that more blown out effect on my shadow, because I have such round eyes, and so I've just never tried the more kind of almond eyeshadow shape, but now I know how to do it because of this rainbow look, so I'm glad about that. So what I'm doing here, I'm now basically going in to every shade again and just kind of blending that out a little bit more in my crease, kind of taking it up more so it's not just on my lid, just kind of makes it look a little bit more seamless. Okay, I am happy with how my eyes are looking. So now I'm just taking my Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Precious Petals that I also used on my face today, and I'm putting that in my inner corners because I'm telling y'all, putting that shadow in the inner tear duct, it really makes a difference. Okay, now I have done my eyeliner and mascara off camera. Now I'm just applying some Lorac lip gloss. It was a part of their Pirates of the Caribbean line. I found it in a TJ Maxx. So that's the one and only Lorac product that I own. But anyway, that is the finished look, you guys. I really like how it turned out, and I'm really proud that I stepped out of my comfort zone for this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.